G'day people, we're doing some graffiti videos here in Japan. We're here in Osaka, and it's fitting it says Osaka. Yes. Yeah, I'll do a whole series of clips and gel them all together. Yeah, there's lots of laneway art in this area. I do believe it's illegal graffiti in Japan, but this looks like legal graffiti to me with the panelling here. A bit like what we do in Adelaide. Okay, I'll just cross the river and we'll go over here and get some of that artwork there, and we're going to walk over here because there's a fair bit of graffiti down there. Hopefully I haven't missed anything there. So there's some nice murals up there as well. Yeah, I'm 100% certain this is legal graffiti. That's a pretty cool one there. Reminds me of Yogi Bear, but it's not. So we're here in Osaka, Japan, if you weren't listening at the start. Just filming on the GoPro 12 Black Edition at the moment. I've taken a couple of shorts of a few. Actually, I quite like that one there, it's quite nice. Yeah, I quite like how countries around the world put up these legal graffiti pieces. It beautifies the area. I know some people view graffiti as vandalism. It can be, but this here is mural artwork. Beautiful designs. Some are like paintings. Like that one there, you may not class as graffiti, but I class it all as urban art. Just thought I'd seize the day and grab some graffiti vlogs. Hopefully the vision's okay because I am pretty close to the action here. I did see the Joker up there. I don't know if I'll be able to get a decent picture of that, but very good. I've got some more graffiti, only a small bit one. Yeah, I've remembered that this graffiti was here. I come here the other night, but it was a bit too dark to film it, so we'll film it now. Not exactly sure if there's a business here, but we'll soon find out. But some pretty cool graffiti. But yeah, sorry about the angles. I'm just in a hallway, so I don't know how well it's going to come up on the GoPro. But very, very nice. I like this style. Sort of like they've filled in all the gaps. I'll get back a bit and try and grab some more angles there. Yeah, very nice. Bomb Ink Gallery. Okay. Yeah, probably expecting to find a tattoo shop around here or something. But yeah, very nice. Probably could do with a piece of graffiti here. But it is what it is. Sorry about the angles. But alright, there's just a little bit more graffiti. Just come down from this building in here. Very interesting. There's heaps of these little laneways here. But I'll add this into the graffiti one. There is some nice artwork there. Very good. Yeah, I was out here last night getting a clip of this building, and the roller door is down today, so here's what it looks like once their roller door is down. Pretty cool. Very nice. Okay, here's some more local graffiti. We won't spend too much time here because it is just a little throw up, and there is an old bike there. Very interesting. Yes, nothing too exciting. Okay, here's some laneway graffiti. Pretty cool artwork. I might have to go back a bit, just got to watch myself. I'm on the road. Yeah, very nice. Dare say that this one's been here a while. It's a bit faded. Yeah, it's been there a while. I don't know if I can get a clip there. I'll get a clip of that, and we'll just quickly sneak through here and get one of this clip there. That's not bad. And we'll go through here. Apologies, we'll get a better angle. That was me in the reflection, if you did see. Yes, handsome man. Yes, I am. Very nice. I like this artwork. Yeah, I picked the right time with the truck there. Now I've just got to watch myself. I am on a main road, not a busy road, and there's a train just above me. Pretty cool that. Now I've just got to watch out. No, my luck, there's probably graffiti on the other side, but I've got to walk down there. Pretty cool. I'm on the way to some ninja street. I think I may have already been there, but that's where I'm heading. But I'm just going to add this with the graffiti. Yeah, here's some graffiti here. I'll try not to get that homeless man thing. I did see him the other day when I was out this area, and there's a bloke there taking some video photos. But there's some graffiti in under the bridge. Train up there, if you didn't know where a train was. Yeah, you can't see any of that graffiti there. There's some interesting artwork there. Not really graffiti, but nice artwork. We might cross the tracks and get some angles here, but I don't think I'll really worry about it because it's not really the style I like, but it is good art nevertheless. Yeah, here's some more throw-up graffiti here, just near a train station. Star World, and there's a train. Toot toot. Yeah, here's some more graffiti here. This looks like an abandoned building, but can't get into this one. It looks like, but it's just some random graffiti here. Just here to do a graffiti clip. Notice there's some nice graffiti up there. That these are just throw-ups here in Japan, Osaka. Yeah, nothing too exciting, but I do like how they got up there. They probably jumped up there, who knows, and then they went on top of the air cons to do those throw-ups. Pretty cool. I wonder if that's an abandoned building. If it is, I could get in there, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, there's just a few throw-ups there, nothing too exciting. Yes, there's just a couple of more, like heaps of tags around, but I'm not really into the tagging. Yeah. There. Osaka graffiti walkabouts. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I got no idea how they got up there, but yeah, they got up on top of the air conditioners, but who knows. Okay, just in a back street here in Osaka, Japan, come across some more graffiti. Yeah, I haven't come across like the mother lode of graffiti I've probably been looking in the wrong places, but here's some graffiti here. Nothing too exciting, but this is Japanese style.